kitchen items. What's this? A toaster, a kettle, or a coffee maker. It's a kettle. What's this? A dishwasher, a kettle, or a coffee maker. It's a coffee maker. What's this? A cup, a dish, or a coffee maker. It's a cup. What's this? A cup, a glass, or a mug. It's a mug. What's this? A microwave, a toaster, or a blender. It's a toaster. What's this? A kettle, a toaster, or a blender. It's a blender. What's this? A stove, a dishwasher, or a blender. It's a dishwasher. What's this? A stove, a dishwasher, or an oven. It's a stove. What's this? A stove, a countertop, or an oven. It's a countertop. What's this? A sink, a countertop, or an oven. It's a sink.
Thanks for watching.